Kinegento kengencho aiga sense ya Kenya chinga kichoko ene kyabuna sekta y'ekisemi ngukine na kuramboka elio aboro kiwa konyora chikosi chiribagane tichira abakonye kwenyorera enibo aiga sense ya Kenya aya namangana y'omuwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migosi ogamba achinga ki alenge gukwanira University ya Kisii eri ya Kenyatta muneri ya Embu asorogongo rwa Gusii chinga ky'omuwaziri ya tarororo muri kyoito Esbon Bosire na tara sense meyo utwariganiria oroboti orwega
aiga nase University ya Kisii.
Honored to be here at Kisii University for the launch of Rally Africa. This is an important moment not just for Kenya but for the entire African continent.
Omugaso bw'erituko lya rero University ya Kisii ekubwatana amone University eri ya Kenyatta nabo igo eria ya Embu nigo banyara koba bakubwatirana kuigura bene umuroberio o eri Africa Research for Impact umuroberio oyo oikiranwa amono muwaziri w'ekisemi Mosike Julius Migosi ogamba mu county commissioner bwe county ya Kisii mwachaunga umunyakirgo bwe university iyo Sara Ruto umu vice chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi amona barayibande abange baukwana ekero ekyo nigo batogirie umuroberio bwokora obotukibuna enjira emo yogukinya ebirengo by'ubugima na boigo obumanyi imejensi ya Kenya.
Education remains the most powerful tool for social transformation, economic empowerment, and national development.
The things that we were thinking about to just that idea of harnessing education research for impact in Africa. It's just
research is really important to give us this global facing. We are really happy that this is a educational research will be the home in which there will be an equitable distribution. Educational research, HERI, will be the space in which we will also be looking at research in terms of our regions that are not doing well. What do we do? Because they belong to Kenya. And Kenya can only move well if we move together.
African university research is already changing lives. Research must be prioritized in policy. Research a critical component of our education.
Ase ensemo y'obutineneri bwe university iyo nigo baenekiribuna umuroberio yo nigo rachikoreta amatunda amaya na nigo barachikwegwa okoboko ase igasi iyo yogokora obotuki
agenda and as the governance, but we are committed to continue to fund this work in collaboration with others. As a leading institution informing policies of this country. Lamentations. We are tired of lamentations. Let us now do the work. And I think we should be able to do. And I'm glad that the faculty of Kisii, you are here, and I think you're going to show that you can do this work.
Waziri ogamba niganyere kobaga kwenekea eserikali nigo ibwate umurobirio bugotinya oboteneneri bwe university imejense ya Kenya.
Higher education is at the center of Africa's development ambitions, and our universities are no longer just places of teaching. They are engines of knowledge, innovation, and solutions to everyday challenges. Through these partnerships, African universities gain exposure, they gain skills and global visibility, while contributing African knowledge to the world. That also goes to show you how seriously government is taking governance in universities. We were to do a lot of changes here, and then we will continue doing them until all our councils or our leadership in universities is functional. We do not want a lot of friction where there is more fight and more noise than productivity.
Ikurpoteria emesa ya mangana maya kuru ase University ya Kisii eriane ni gonkuru kwa Esbon Bosire.